Okay, so today you're going to get a palette that you're going to share with the person sitting next to you. This is acrylic paint. It does not wash out of your clothing at all, so you need to be careful that you don't get it on your clothes. If you get it on your hands, don't wipe it on your shirt like I usually do. What you're going to do today is make a color wheel on two sections, so 1 point of your star. So color two sections, 1 point. What we're going to do is take the primary colors that you've been given. Okay, so I've got yellow, blue, and red. And first thing you're going to do is take one of the colors and transfer that to part of your star. When you're switching colors, you're going to take your brush all the way to the bottom of the water bucket. Acrylic paint is plastic based, so that means it doesn't mix well with water. So after you go to the water bucket, you're going to brush off the water and any extra paint onto the newspaper that's on your table. So I'm going to continue the same thing with the other primary colors in a triangle format like a color wheel. And the next thing I'm going to do is put some paint in the middle, so in between the red and the blue. Got some blue already on my brush, so I'm going to get some red now and mix to get a purple. It's not going to be the same purple you're used to. It's going to depend on if you have more red or more blue in it, but it'll work for us. Then I'm going to put it on my star in between the blue and the red. It's not going to be a perfect circle for your color wheel because we're squishing it in on our star. On camera, that does not look purple at all, but in real life, it actually looks purple. So now I'm going to do the same thing for the red and the yellow. Probably you and your partner could take turns mixing and then use the same color that you mix. So my partner could use the purple and then maybe they could mix the orange here. And then I'm going to put the orange in between the red and the yellow. See, I didn't wash my brush off well enough. And there's my green. Once you have this, we're not going to label them today, we'll actually label them on Monday. So once you have this, you are going to take your star and you're going to walk it over to the countertop and put it on the trays. Once you've done that, you can change out the water at your table and have a seat for the bell.